Let me start from saying that I think I'm quite perturbed by remarks from my learned senior counsel when he says that IBC is not complying with the court order. That certainly is an inaccurate reporting. I think the most important thing would be to get an accurate and objective position in relation to this matter. It cannot be, because we've seen tweets, we've seen a lot of social media activity in the night, which is not accurate. And I think whatever was happening was that report was meant to be for this court. It wasn't meant to be discussed in social media. And I think there was already guidance on that. So even this narrative that is being propagated certainly is not for this court. And I think we take exception to that. But back to the critical issue, yesterday we did give an indication that whereas the order of the court was that the IBC was to give a supervised access to the servers, that was then interpreted by the applicants to mean that they would get a copy of the whole server. We then expressed concerns with what that would mean, and we asked that the court then gives guidance so that as we proceed, there's clarity. That is really what we had hoped that we'd get this morning to enable us resolve the matter. Certainly, it is not to take away the server from IEBC. I'm most obliged.